Dumelang landlord, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlord Sibongile and the Dlaminis, I said I must come because today I saw something and that's something I liked. Okay, fine. Let us start with Deliwe, right? Deliwe warmed herself back into her house. Ngithi girl, the way she warmed herself back into her house, she wanted to get into the sheets as indoda yakhe, but indoda was like, hey, Brika, you are not going to sleep with me. So she ended up sleeping with the kids, but it was a win because she slept at her own comfortable home. With that said, she wakes up in the morning, girl, now doing what? Doing duties, chores in the house, washing laundry for everyone. The kids were happy and I doing breakfast, cooking proper food, making sure that he serves the husband and does whatever. You know what? Proper things that a wife does, right? Hayi buza. No, ask. I'm serious. I asathi uhambisela indoda ithi indoda yamtshela ukuthi I think what we're doing is going to confuse the children and I don't want the children to be confused. So because I don't want the children to be confused, I want you to leave. I Udeliwe had to Hakamatorokis. But ke Ukwenzo, guys, is planning to buy a house with Unomalanga. Ukwenzo is planning to buy a house with Unomalanga. Ukwenzo is planning to do great things to Unomalanga to ensure that the safety of the child is up, right? Ugai even bought toys for the child and came and told Unomalanga that I bought toys. Unomalanga was, isn't that a health hazard? Kanti girl forgot to put the sisu where it's supposed to be. So it means while she's still tucking in isisu and fixing everything, kanti uyambona unomfundo. Yes, unomfundo saw everything. Will unomfundo tell? Because right now we want these secrets to be out. Like lespiri lesidala sisithwele guys in. Unomfundo akabhabaza indaba yazini. Yeah. Once. But ke with that said, Usibalukhulu is concerned to say no. Why is Vusi not involving Ukwenzo in the business ideas and everything? And why does he have to outsource somebody to do the drawings while Ukwenzo does that job? Kantagazi ukuthi noma drawings tshontshiyan. Yebo, ama drawings atshontshiwe and they belong to Usibongile. The very Deliwe that wants to go back to her house has not even said the other secret. I stole the child's drawings and sold them without her permission. Like this lady, like really. But okay, with that said, Usibalukhulu is persistent and he wants to prove Uguti this one did something and I think he'll be able to prove it. While Umkhize is tired ngokuthi uNelly uyigroovist, like manje uNelly uyigroovist because of umuntu ka uMashona ubuyile umuntu kalo, you understand? So like uMashona is taking them from one pub to another at the expense of the relationship kaNelly noMkhize. And Umkhize wants to make a wife out of uNelly, but he wants ukuthi uNelly astope umgroovo with immediate effect. Ungawustopa wena umgroovo bangakakhipheli nesheleng asazisobona ngoneli. When a Monday is ala ngizokurepotela. That's why, because I want to see ukuthi the truth will be out, yes or no, between the sisu or kanjani. Yangaphuma iqiniso yesisu. So she's Sibongile and the Dlaminis. This is your girl Disebo D. I love you. Peace. Bye.